His Excellency Western in Kampala.
Declaration of results, beginning with Vice Chairperson, Eastern Region. The candidates were Naigaga Mariam, Echodu David Kelvin, and
declaration forms. The agents, please come to sign the declaration forms. Museveni has 12 districts, and we are going to start with Kamuli with 143 voters. Can we have Kamuli in, please? Kamuli district with 143 voters. EO, please come and read the names of the We have one line for Anita among 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have one line for Anita Kadaaga. I'm counting. My team, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 52. 52. We have 52. Thank you. Let us clear the ground. Security, take care of the lines. We are voting. No intruders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 37, 38, 39, 39. That is for Kadaaga. 39. I'm counting the line of Anita from behind. I'm starting from behind. expect 94 voters from Mulenge. We are starting to count. If the lines are okay, let's count. We are starting with the line of Honorable Anita Kadaaga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thank you. People on the table, there are 9 votes. We are going for another line. Honorable Anita among 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 69. For me to take up responsibility as the national person representing Central. Also know that there is still one candidate who is still insisting that he has to contest. But I want to think with him, and I want to tell you that three candidates cannot make a mistake. We share our values, we share the same manifesto, unless that candidate has intentions. But I want to ask him to support me so that I take out this responsibility. If given the opportunity, I work with the rest of the structures to promote the values I thank you for me because the battle has not yet ended. Thank you. Okay, can you sit down, please? We are going for the next one, which is the
Anita, among Right Honorables. I, Dr. Tango Doi, being the NRM Electoral Commission returning officer for NRM internal party elections for position of second national vice chairperson female, hereby declare the results of the election as follows. Rebecca Alitwala Kadaaga, total votes 902, a percentage of 7.2. Anita among, total votes 11,680, a percentage of 92.8%. The total votes 12,582. I therefore declare Anita among, who has polled the highest number of votes of 11,680 votes, representing 92.8%, as the duly elected second national vice chairperson female of the NRM. I present. Signed, Dr. Tango Doi, on the 27th August 2027, 25/11/5.
We are here, sir.
I request us to come forward.
Don't give us the wrong one.
Thank you. Thank you. I can even give you to carry it. So congratulations to two right honorables for having passed through this contest. Agent for Right Honorable Kadaaga, please come for your results. Right Honorable Kadaaga is coming.
Museveni mulai ngatoli wa kuleta masaka fa mulai tayi Museveni
Zetula wasi.
ngatoli wa kuleta masaka fa mulai bo batoli wa kuleta masaka
Lekerawo kwogera.
mugende mutufiri fa mulai mwabatali wa kuleta masaka tutufiri security mujja mutuyambe
Weyamba osirike.
toli wa kuleta masaka fa mulai atali wa kuleta masaka fa mulai tuviri so Raka you win.
Ataba tali marunzi,
His Excellency Western in Kampala.
Museveni waye! Museveni waye!
His Excellency basaba ne banyabo rejeso wa mkono jangu tuverifyinge abalozi ba mkono mubere bulaidi yamwe rejeso wa mkono
Thank you very much. I think a very big embarrassment for this election. Like in the Western, they brought over 200 mayai from Kampala, and we have been voting from polling stations. Whether you will or not, I cannot appreciate the kind of election to Excellency.
Chairman, this one. Then they got the leads. Then they got the councillors. Everything is on record. So we shall compare that. Both what was spoken here, what is the register, and how the people voted. The methodology was not clear. We traveled to we wanted to participate. The combined motion is just a problem where you can verify whether it's
Ohuru ya manyeri fa musigati zaffe. Akapande kasoma maji.
I request the candidates or agents of candidates to come near here. Declaration of results, beginning with Vice Chairperson, Eastern Region. The candidates were Naigaga Mariam, Echodu David Kelvin, and 53 votes, representing Mariam Naigaga, 253 votes, representing 0.5%. Eshodu David Calvin, 5,211 votes, representing 99.5%. I, Dr. Tango Doi, being the NRM Electoral Commission returning officer for NRM internal party elections for position of Vice Chairperson, Eastern Region, hereby declare that Eshodu David Calvin, who has polled the highest number of votes, 5,211, representing 99.5%, as the duly elected Vice Chairperson, Eastern Region.
Check, check.
Dr. Tango Doi, being the NRM Electoral Commission returning officer for NRM internal party elections for position of Vice Chairperson, Eastern Region, hereby declare the results of election as follows. Mariam Naigaga, 253 votes, representing 0.5%. Eshodu David Calvin, 5,211 votes, representing 99.5%. Total votes cast, 5,464. I therefore declare Eshodu David Calvin, who has polled the highest number of votes, representing 99.5%, as the duly elected Vice Chairperson, Eastern Region. For Vice Chairperson, Karamoja Region. I, Dr. Tango Doi, being the NRM Electoral Commission returning officer for NRM internal party election for position of Vice Chairperson, Karamoja Region, hereby declare the results of the election as follows. Loki John Baptist, 3,694 votes, representing 81.1%. Ashila John Robert Rex, 496 votes, representing 10.89%. Johnson Ngorok, 133 votes, representing 2.92%. Loki Peter Abrahams, 232 votes, representing 5.9%. Total votes cast, 4,555. I therefore declare Loki John Baptist, who has polled the highest number of votes, 3,694, representing 81.1%, as the duly elected Vice Chairperson, Karamoja Region. For declare Loki John Baptist, who has polled the highest number of votes, 3,694, representing 81.5%, as the duly elected Vice Chairperson, Karamoja Region. Is the candidate here or the agents? Declaration of results for Vice Chairperson, Northern Region. I, Dr. Tango Doi, being the NRM Electoral Commission Returning Officer for NRM internal party elections for position of Vice Chairperson, Northern Region, hereby declare the results of the election as follows. Daniel Fred Kadaaga, 658 votes, percentage of 12%. Obua Dennis Hampson, 3,591 votes, representing 67.4%. Sam Engola, 1,078 votes, representing a percentage of 20.2%. I therefore declare Obua Dennis Hampson, who has polled the highest number of votes, 3,591, representing 67.4%, as a duly elected Vice Chairperson, Northern Region. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Declaration of results for Vice Chairperson, Western Region. I, Dr. Tango Doi, being the NRM Electoral Commission Returning Officer for NRM internal party elections for position of Vice Chairperson, Western Region, hereby declare the results of the election as follows. Bwenje Lauben Muhanji, 55 votes, 0.8%. Asimwe Jonad, 4,044 votes, representing 58.9%. Kamugisha Place, 339 votes, which is 4.9%. Kamuganga Dick Nuwamanya, 49 votes, which is 0.7%. Biarohanga Barije Enoch, 60 votes, which is 0.9%. Atuhe Innocent, 11 votes, which is 0.2%. Mawanda Michael Maranga, 0 votes. Bariomusi Chris, 2,303 votes, representing 33.6%. I therefore declare Asimwe Jonad, who has polled the highest number of votes, representing 58.9%, as a duly elected Vice Chairperson, Western Region. Hello. Declaration of results for Vice Chairperson, Kampala region. Dr. Tanga Odoi, being the NRM Electoral Commission returning officer for NRM internal party elections for position of Vice Chairperson, Kampala region, hereby declare the results of the election as follows. Marwaha Katongole Singh Paminda, 1,375 votes, which is 36.4%. Salim Saad Uhuru, 2,411 votes, which represents 63.2%. Mukenya Collins Andrew, 29 votes, which represents 0.76%. I therefore declare Salim Saad Uhuru, who has polled the highest number of votes, representing 63.2%, as the duly elected Vice Chairperson.
Yes.
Declaration of results for Vice Chairperson, Central Region. I, Dr. Tango Doi, being the NRM Electoral Commission returning officer for NRM internal party elections for position of Vice Chairperson, Central Region, hereby declare the results of the elections as follows. Kalisa Kalangwa Moses, 3,981 votes, representing 47.7%. Cheone Haruna Kasolo, 4,194 votes, representing 50.3%. Total number of votes, 8,343. I therefore declare Cheone Haruna Kasolo, who has polled the highest number of votes, 4,194, representing 50.3%, as the duly elected. stand out. I thank you.
Just tell us feelings you have after.
Agenda kutaninga west.
Yes.
Okay. My name is Jonada Sima Akik, and I want to first thank God for what we have gone through. It wasn't easy, but God has made it for us. Then secondly, I want to thank His Excellency Kakutaweru Museveni for having stayed with us so that our elections can be peaceful. I'm very sure that when you win, everything is okay. When you don't win, sometimes things are not yet okay. But I want to call upon everybody who participated and competed with us. We remain one, we unite the party. When you enter a game, there is win and a loss. When you win, thank God. And when you don't make it, you have won, but at a limited rate. So we are all winners. Otherwise, I want to thank you, and I'll make sure that we do the better. I'm so happy because it's a big experience I'm going to have from being a chairman of a city up to Central Executive Committee. It is very quite amazing. And I think in this journey, I'll be happy. Yes?
The message for your competitor who you're stepping in.
But I've already told them. Let me give you a little. But I would wish to speak tomorrow. I'm so tired.
Yes, tired.
First, I thank God for this journey. It has been an exciting journey standing for SEC, NRM SEC. Thank my family and all my friends and delegates who supported me. I'm very grateful. It has been an exciting process going throughout the country, meeting delegates and learning how the party is still strong, how the support is there for the chairman and for his agenda. I'm very excited to be elected as a SEC member for Eastern Region. And I want to thank all the voters, all the delegates who voted for me. Thank you for your overwhelming support. That was very touching and moving. I promise to serve you and the party to the fullest, and I'm very excited to work with the chairman to fulfill his next vision and plan. Thank you very much.
Ndi munjivu njo lensoga tagodoi na wangu dokuva region nzore za Uganda region je bampagodeko ya Busoga ne Kampala tulina region zima 12 engeri je bakyusiza ebintu wano Tagodoi ne bakwata bagenti bagali batasayininga era ngera ko petition singa moze era batawuliza nsonga eno kubera mulaba ensonga eriwo nti Tagodoi olwako lwa juzi yarangirira mutabaliwe president amusaza Museveni president bana batasazaamu ekintu kino kyebakoze olwaleero ekyobubi obwenkukudala bulabikirako ddala abantu bonna banyiivu tetujja kukkiriza na nsonga eno n'akamu n'akatono tulowooza nti president Museveni abadde wano mwennyini namutumidde abantu ebirundi 3 nampita nemubulira ensonga ebaddewo naye Tagodoi atuze kutalaba nga era bakolagana nabo abantu abakulu abamu abadde bataagala kumpagira sagala bwogezi bange bade mu bantu n'olwekyo nze abantu nina benkomandika Uganda yonna aba NRM bwe banaba tebawuliriza petition yange president agiwuliriza kiba kitegeeza nti nze balinga bagamba nti siri wa NRM ate nga mwenazaalibwa n'olwekyo president musaba ensonga nagikwate ngendo eyo nomuwola kikyoncho bwefaanana kuba Tagodoi NRM ali mukagenda gimalawo ate nga kitusangamu n'olwekyo sa president agenda musonga eno obutasuka nkya. My name is Kalisa Karangwa. I'm calling all my supporters, the whole of Uganda. Lango, Acholi, West Nile. I have one from West Nile, Angore, Chigezi, Mbarara, Teso, and Lango, Bunjoro. Now, even the NRM supporters should listen to this. That we have got some issues with Tagodoi. Tagodoi recently announced his son. President Museveni came in and stopped it. Please, we are requesting him, our chairperson, to come in and intervene in this issue. Because Tango Doi has done this, this is my second time. 2021, Museveni called me that he should leave those things. Next time he will come. This time I won, and Museveni was there. They did bring the hooligans to come and line up. We stopped it. But eventually, even if they bring the hooligans, I managed to win. Now, we are requesting all Museveni to come in and help us. Because if you don't help us, we are going to make sure that this thing will go far from us. Because it seems Museveni, when you look at it, there is no any election which happens in Uganda and Museveni comes and stays here. This is the first time I've ever seen it, which means had some crew on it. Now, he was witnessing his cheating of us. Now we are calling up our supporters to be calm, but we listen our chairperson. If he doesn't take up this issue, let us question tomorrow. That is it.